I have been investing into the stock market for over a decade and I've learned quite a lot. The reality is that investing into the stock market can help you build your wealth and ultimately provide you with financial freedom. One of the most crucial things you must decide when you first start investing is which brokerage firm to use. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Paul and in this video I'll be going over how to invest on Fidelity for beginners. Fidelity has been rated one of the top brokerage firms to invest with simply because they have a large number of investment options, low fees, and great customer service. I have been with Fidelity for a very long time, so I am very familiar with how this platform works. This video is perfect for anyone who wants to get started with investing on Fidelity, so make sure you watch until the end of this video and let's get started. So let's say it's your first time in the app and you want to know how to buy a stock. So once you come into the app, you're going to see this homepage here, and how you buy and sell stocks is click on transact at the bottom middle here, and you can see that there's going to be a trade button, so you're going to click that. Once you get to this page, you're going to want to find the index fund or stock that you want to buy. So for today's example, let's buy FXAIX, which is Fidelity's S&P 500 index fund. So all you're going to do is click on the top here and look up FXAIX, the ticker symbol of the investment that you want to buy. So you're going to click that. And once you get to this page, you're going to be able to see the current price of the index fund, the year-to-date performance, 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, and 10 years. Some other information such as the most recent price, the change in price, the expense ratio, which is very low, some performance, quarter end, and annual for 1 year through life of fund. And all you're going to do is click on buy if you want to buy this index fund. So let's click on buy. And once you click on buy, you're going to have two options. You can buy recurring or you can buy now, which is a one-time purchase. So we're going to click on buy now. So once you get to the buy page, you're going to see the investment that you're buying. So FXAIX, and the current price is 197.57 cents. You're going to see the account that you're buying on. So for today's example, I'm going to be buying my Roth IRA. You can see how much you have available to trade. So 420. And your order details, you're going to put in your amount. So I'm going to buy $4.20 of this index fund. So I'm going to click on preview order. And once you get to this confirmation page, you're going to see that you're buying $4.20 worth of FXAIX in my Roth IRA and my estimated shares and the current price. So all you're going to do now to buy into the index fund is just slide. And just like that, you've bought $4.20 worth of FXAIX. Is that simple. So let's say now you want to sell this index fund. All you're going to do is click on sell here at the bottom. And it's going to ask you what you want to do, so sell or exchange, but we're going to click sell. And it's going to bring you to the sell page, which is pretty much the exact same as the buy page, but you're selling. So it's going to show you the investment and the current price, the account, how much you own in that investment, the order details. So it's going to be in dollars, shares, or sell all shares, how much you want to sell. So let's say you want to sell $500 worth of this index fund. You're going to click that. And it's going to show you your estimated shares and if you have any transaction fees. For this, you're not going to. So click on preview order. And this is going to be a confirmation page. So you're going to be selling $500 of FXAIX in your specific account, how much you own, estimated shares to sell, and the estimated proceeds, which is the amount you're selling. So all you're going to do to sell is just swipe and you've sold it. Now that you know how to buy and sell on Fidelity, let's go through the rest of the app to give you a rundown of how everything works. So this is going to be the home page that you see when you first log into the app. You're going to see the current markets and their trending. So NASDAQ, S&P 500. You can see their price and their price change. You're going to see your portfolio value overall for all your Fidelity accounts. You can see your portfolio performance for 1 month, year to date, 1 year, and 3 years. If you scroll down, you can see all the accounts and their current values and their changes. If you scroll down more, you can see some order snapshots and activity and all positions. So let's move on to the investing tab. So all you're going to do is click on the bottom left here. And once you get to this page, you're going to be able to see your positions in all of your accounts and all the stocks and index funds that you own. You're also going to be able to see some watch lists that you can edit. You can see I have some stocks on here like Coca-Cola, SEHD, Pepsi, Amazon, and Google. And lastly, you're going to be able to see a tab for markets. So US markets and international markets. You can see the performance from 1 day, 5 day, 1 month, 1 year, and 5 years. If you scroll down more, you can see some market futures and some news articles here, some top news. You can scroll down to see some market movers, some most active, gainers, losers, and customer orders. And if you scroll down more, you can see some sector performance, for the S&P 500, materials, industrials, financials, and more. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you can see some performance for bonds and CD yields. And last but not least, you have some research that you can view. Moving on to the planning tab, you can see your overall account value here with your assets and liabilities. You can set some goals for retirement, emergencies, and home. You can see your spending, you can get a credit score, and you can analyze your debt. And last but not least, we have the Discover tab where you can do some learning. So you can see what's trending and read some articles. You can see some market movers, some most active, top gainers, top losers. You can see some sectors for index funds and ETFs, so real estate, health, consumer defensive, etc. You can scroll down to do some more research and view trends and review estimates for stocks. And if you scroll down more, you can see some collections of stocks. So you can see growth stocks here, for example. It's going to give you a rundown of some growth stocks. You can look at some income stocks, which are dividend stocks, you can see here. And you can see some value stocks here, for example, like so. If you scroll down more, you can see some more opportunities to explore and some other learning opportunities. And that's it. That's all you have to know to be able to navigate and use the Fidelity app for yourself. I really hope that you learned a lot in this tutorial video, and always remember that time in the market is better than trying to time the market. My name is Paul and I talk all things money, finance, and investing. So if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more future content just like this. Your life is a masterpiece, so let's unlock your full financial potential together. And with that, I will catch you in the next video. Take care.